Hello guys, this is Shuvo from Shuvo's studio. Recently I bought some new art materials and today I am doing the unboxing of my recent purchases. I bought two new brush sets and some watercolor. All are from Amazon and all the links are in the description below. Let's see what's in the first package. Guys, always be careful while using a knife. I am telling this from my personal experience. As you can see, the packaging is quite good for this packet. I think this is one of the brush set. Finally, finally it's open. Oh great, bubble wraps. Outer box not required anymore. Come on guys, who doesn't like bursting some bubbles in the bubble wrap? I will keep this wrap for later. So here is the first brush set. Oh, it's a 4 brush set. I thought it was a 3 brush set. It's a watercolor brush set from Bristol. The cost for this set is 1500 1059 rupees. Now let's open the pack and see. So here are the 4 brushes. Oh hey, they are stuck in the inside also. Let's get one out. Here is the biggest one. It's a number 8 brush set. Let's keep it inside again. I can't wait to try them all. So this pack contains 0, 2, 4 and 8 number brushes. Now for packet number 2. Let's see what's inside this. I ordered another brush set and watercolor set. Maybe it's the watercolor set. Let's see. Now from where to open this? I don't want to damage what's inside. Okay. After some muscle power, it's open. Yeah. Oh, it's packed well. Let's tear through the bubble wrap. It's the second brush set. It's from Montmartre and I got it for 800 rupees. Let's look at the brushes. This set has a lot of different types of brushes and it comes in a travel bag. Arey, where's the zipper for this bag? Here we go. Let's see the brushes now. This is the number 6 round tip brush. Oh, the big brother. This is the 1-inch flat. I really needed this. It will really help me in washing over large surfaces. This is the fan brush, great for creating textures. Let's close this set and get to the third package. And I am sure this is the watercolor set. Nothing is left, so let's tear up. So here it is, the watercolor set. I got this for 390 rupees. Oh, it seems a dent in the package. Hope nothing is damaged inside. Let's see. Here is the dent. Oh, the tube has also a dent. But I think it's okay, as nothing is leaking or any other damage. So here is the unboxing of my recent art haul. Can't wait to try this all. All the product links are in the description below. Subscribe to my channel to see how these materials work. Soon I will post a review also for each of these materials. Bye and see you next time.